Is there anything better than a chocolate chip cookie? How about a Greek chocolate chip cookie? By cutting down the butter and adding in some Greek yogurt, we're upping the protein and getting a lot more flavor in there too. In a large bowl, add a half a cup or 1 stick of softened butter, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a cup of light brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar. Beat it all up. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs, and whisk it up some more. In a separate bowl, we've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour plus 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now we're gonna add the flour into the butter, yogurt, sugar mixture. Add in 2 cups of chocolate chips and just fold it in with a spatula. I like to use an ice cream scoop because it portions the cookies perfectly. Put them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until they're nice and golden. And they taste buttery, chocolatey, delicious.